Across Wales and the UK, in-work poverty is on the rise. Half of all the households in Wales living in relative poverty have someone bringing home a salary. At Oxfam, we think that work should be a route out of poverty and that a fair day's work deserves a fair day's pay. Just under a quarter of jobs in Wales don't currently pay the living wage, set by the Living Wage Foundation based on the cost of living. Paying the living wage not only has benefits for people going out to work, it actually has benefits for employers too. Don't take our word for it. We've spoken to some here in Wales and this is what they think.
I'm John Burns. I'm the founder and managing director of Burns Pet Nutrition. We are based here in Kidwelly. We've been here since 1993. Burns has been a living wage employer since its inception, in fact. Staff appreciate that we're trying to look after them. So I think we're recognised as an employer that people would like to come and work for. My late father-in-law said that money is made to go round, and the economy depends on people being reasonably well off, that they can afford to buy and use services. So it's important for the community as a whole that there's a sense of equality and fairness in our community at large. I personally am the current living wage champion for Wales, so that gives me quite a certain satisfaction.
I'm Danielle Whitburn. I work at Burns Pet Nutrition, Park of Ox farm shop in Kidwelly. I love working here. It's a great company to work for. Everyone's so friendly and happy to work for, and it's a great place. The living wage has been fantastic. It's given me the chance to treat my children, take them away for weekend breaks, and not have to think about bills and like general life struggles, so that eliminates everything.
My name is Jane Dowden and I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Cardiff University. Cardiff University became a living wage employer 2 years ago in 2014. It's had quite an amazing impact. It makes a difference to the employees. It makes them appreciate that we as an employer appreciate them, and that really motivates them. It also means that we get employees who are able to focus on doing one job rather than having to work in a portfolio of jobs and arriving really tired, because that's the only way they can make ends meet.
Right, my name is Anne Wilcox. I work for the Cardiff University as a domestic assistant, and I started working here 1.5 years ago.
My name is Christina Welsher and I'm a domestic assistant for Cardiff Uni, and I've been here just over a year. Domestic, it's a hard job, and especially a lot of hotels, most hotels pay minimum wage, which I think should be living wage.
So I had 2 jobs, but it meant a lot of rushing around, picking her up from school, rush her dinners through and then wait for her brother to come home. Had to go back to the other job and come back home late, and then being really too tired to interact with her. Now with the living wage, I can meet that budget much easier and be home a bit more as well, and still give her the things she needs.
Thanks for watching. Look out for the video on Oxfam Cymru's Facebook and Twitter feeds, and don't forget to share.